Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Spacek. I just wanted to show you a quick change that I've made to our course page in Schoology. So your child will log into Schoology in the morning and go ahead and click on our course. So right now I'm going to click on ELA with Spacek Block 3, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 11:05 to 11:50. Doesn't really matter though. Okay, this is how the class is going to look to you and your child. We have our class name right here. This is going to change at some point because I'm going to try to make it like a little more fun and maybe cartoony or something for the kids. But in the meantime, that's what it says. And I'm trying to streamline everything. So right now we just have a very simple this week's work, a class overview, which has the syllabus. Actually, there's nothing there yet. Class expectations, meet the teacher, think before you speak, all that fun stuff that we did. If you missed our first week PowerPoint slideshow the other day, it's right here, so you're welcome to look at it anytime. And then under that, we have Isaac Litton Middle School links, the link to the library, and more to come. But what I really want to show you is this. This is the important part. The pink folder, week 1, August 4th to August 7th. Next week there will be another folder there, week 2, and it will be pink also, if I hope I can remember that. So let's go ahead and click there. And this is going to just straight away give you the different days this week. Obviously, your child will next be accessing this on Fridays, so we are going to look at Friday's folder. Friday has some pretty clear information. I wanted to show you this in case there's any confusion. The very first thing you will look at on Friday and hopefully every day for the near future, the first thing is today's announcement and links. You will click here. And when you click here, you will see today's announcements. For example, on Friday, I'm going to ask all students to please fill out the Isaac Litton Middle School Student Wellness Check Survey. And then we're going to talk about some other things. And then super important is this right here, our links, today's links. Click here to join our live class at 11:05. You will just click there. Click here to join the MMPS community gathering each morning at 9 a.m. If you're on this page and you want to use that link, go ahead at 9 a.m. Don't use it any other time, just 9 a.m. Click here to join the MMPS Mindful Minute each day at 11:30 a.m. MMPS is putting something on at 11:30. Sometimes we're in class, sometimes we're not. I actually have to adjust this time also. It says 11:05 to 11 a.m. Sorry about that. I will fix it. The most important link here is the top one. Click here to join our live class. That is what you will do, and that is how you will access our live Teams meeting class. So just to go back and show you where your child will be doing their work, again, we'll look at Friday. We can click on that whole day, and there are those that information again, today's announcements and links that we just looked at, today's learning objectives. This just says what we're focusing on. And then we have welcoming ritual, engaging practice, and optimistic closure. These are 3 pieces of your child's one asynchronous lesson each day. So your child will have a quick meeting with me. That is the synchronous meeting lesson, and that is live. We're on a video chat then. And then your child will do asynchronous work. That means alone, on their own. When they are not on a live Teams meeting, they can do their asynchronous work. Your child's lesson begins here. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Welcoming ritual. Your child will click on this. It's going to say what the next thing is to come, which is about kindness. They can hit next. And there's a question about kindness. They can type a response. In fact, they not only can, but they should. This is how they're getting credit for their work. Then they hit next, and this takes them to everything that is in engaging practice. There's different steps. They will hit next again, and that will take them to the first part. They will read this. They will click next. Unfortunately, this isn't working at this moment. We'll check on that. But if for some reason it doesn't work, just go to the next one. They will read some more. Next. You will watch a little video. Next. You will share one word and the story behind that one word. Respond to 2 classmates. Your child will write a comment there and then find other students who have commented and hit reply and comment in a kind and respectful way to their classmates' comment. Hit next. This takes us to optimistic closure. This tells us what it is. We're going to hit next, and that's going to take us straight there. How did this activity connect to what we've talked about so far about what's important in our class? Your child will do that. They will write a comment. And that is your child's asynchronous work for the day in ELA on Friday, August 7th. I hope this is streamlined and is clear to you, and I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.